Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Taiahiro Retro Typewriter wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. This keyboard aims to blend vintage aesthetics with modern functionality, and it certainly makes a statement right out of the box. The first thing you notice is the design. The round keycaps and punk style give it a unique, eye-catching look that truly sets it apart from your typical keyboard. It really does evoke the feeling of an old-school typewriter, which is a cool touch for anyone who appreciates that retro vibe. But it's not just about looks. This keyboard features blue switches, which deliver that satisfying clicky sound and tactile feedback that mechanical keyboard enthusiasts love. The typing experience is quite enjoyable, making it suitable for long writing sessions or coding marathons. It offers fluid and speedy typing, minimizing finger and hand fatigue. The Taiahiro keyboard offers both Bluetooth 5.0 and USB-C connectivity, providing flexibility for different setups. It's compatible with a range of devices, including laptops, PCs, tablets, smartphones, and Macs, making it a versatile option for various users. Customization is another strong point. The keyboard boasts 14 backlight modes, which can be easily adjusted using the stainless steel lever. The left and right knobs control brightness and volume, respectively, adding a tactile element to the adjustments. The white backlighting is clean and provides good visibility in different lighting conditions. The keyboard is presented as an 83-key compact design, which saves desk space without sacrificing essential functionality. It's a great size for both home and office use, and its portability makes it a decent option for on-the-go use with a tablet or laptop. Overall, the Taiahiro Retro Typewriter keyboard is a well-rounded product that combines style, functionality, and customization. It's a great choice for anyone looking to add a touch of vintage flair to their setup while enjoying the benefits of a modern mechanical keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.